Kuldeep Bishnoi's Haryana Janhit Congress, well, it's walked out of the alliance with the BJP. The first alliance partner to leave the alliance after the thumping Lok Sabha victory by Modi. The walkout happened just ahead of the crucial assembly polls, where the BJP seems to be eyeing massive gains after making significant inroads in the general elections. Bishnoi cried betrayal by the BJP, accusing Amit Shah directly of only offering sugar-coated assurances, but doing nothing to save this alliance.
कि भाई भारतीय जनता पार्टी, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, इन्होंने 6 बार धोखे किए हैं। इनकी फितरत आज भी नहीं बदली और हम जवाबदेह हैं हरियाणा प्रदेश की जनता से, क्योंकि जनता को मैंने जैसा पहले कहा कि मैं स्वच्छ सरकार देना चाहता हूँ, ईमानदार सरकार देना चाहता हूँ। तो हमें सबने ये फैसला किया कि भाई जो आदमी इतने लोगों को धोखा दे सकते हैं, तो जनता के हित में, जनहित में क्लियर कट हमारी पार्टी ने ये फैसला लिया कि टुडे वी आर डंपिंग बीजेपी, वी आर ब्रेकिंग द अलायंस विद बीजेपी। हम एक ऐसी पार्टी के साथ खड़ा नहीं होना चाहते हैं जो धोखेबाज पार्टी हो, जो जनता के साथ अन्याय करे, जो धोखा दे।
Like to go across to Manuman Singh Chinna on the phone line with us. Manuman, this was building up already. Now, with this alliance broken, are we looking at Kuldeep Bishnoi moving towards the BSP?
Well, yes, that is something which is on the cards. So at this point of time, Kuldeep Bishnoi did not answer any questions regarding the tie-up with BSP, and he concentrated on the split with BJP and the fact that he's joined hands, his party has joined hands with former close aide of Bhupender Singh Hooda, Vinod Sharma, his Haryana Jan Chetna party. But it is quite widely expected that now BSP and Kuldeep Bishnoi's party are going to fight the elections together as an alliance in Haryana.
Stay on with us, Manuman. So the HJC pretty much going, drifting towards the BSP. That is one alliance which indeed, in all probabilities, will be forged in the next week as well. I'd like to cut across to Brijesh, who's giving us all the details from the BJP camp. Brijesh, the BJP clearly wasn't very hot on this alliance in any case. What is their game plan? How are they looking at trying to make inroads in Haryana this particular election? Till now, of course, they haven't been able to do so, especially in the state of Haryana.
Well, this was in the offing, because in the BJP National Council, where the post of Amit Shah was ratified as the BJP president, he made it very clear in his speech that, and it was very clear from his speech that no, all is not well with the Haryana Janhit Congress and the BJP, and he made several appeals to his cadre in Haryana to make sure that that the BJP is able to do well and so get more than 45 seats on its own. And apart from that, a couple of rallies which were held at Haryana, several Congress stalwarts leaders like Chaudhry Virendra Singh and others were inducted to the party. So the general mood and perception within the party is that Haryana Janhit Congress was more of a package which was this party had entered into it, and they were also trying to convey to us that it's kind of a good riddance on the part of the BJP, and they are well equipped to fight this election and get a decent number.
But Brijesh, they never really wanted to continue with this alliance. Now, could it also point down to overconfidence? Because if you look at it, the BJP doesn't quite have a strong cadre when it comes down to Haryana. The last few elections have stood testimony to that.
Well, yes, you cannot rule out the factor that that they are a bit overconfident because many Congress stalwarts and people within the Congress, people who are considered to have a sizable influence within their own community, they have migrated to BJP, and they are saying that given their performance, they are in a position to give to have a very fair chance to stay forming government within the Haryana. It is true that they don't have a very strong face as the BJP, as the chief ministerial candidate in Haryana, but they are saying that they are in no rush or there is no dire need to project one as such, because most of the time they always give example of Uttar Pradesh, where the same situation was there and they scripted a miracle. So they are saying that they are hoping that Haryana is going to be Uttar Pradesh redux. And that
especially post Lok Sabha, this would be the acid test for the BJP. If they can crack it in Haryana, that would be huge gains for the BJP. But let's listen in to what Kuldeep Bishnoi said a short while back. Pretty much the back towards his back towards the wall, had to make this decision, and now broken the alliance with the NDA, and in all probability looking at joining hands with the BSP. Let's listen in to him.
कि भाई भारतीय जनता पार्टी, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, इन्होंने 6 बार धोखे किए हैं। इनकी फितरत आज भी नहीं बदली और हम जवाबदेह हैं हरियाणा प्रदेश की जनता से, क्योंकि जनता को मैंने जैसा पहले कहा कि मैं एक स्वच्छ सरकार देना चाहता हूँ, ईमानदार सरकार देना चाहता हूँ। तो हमें सबने ये फैसला किया कि भाई जो आदमी इतने लोगों को धोखा दे सकते हैं, तो जनता के हित में, जनहित में क्लियर कर हमारी पार्टी ने ये फैसला लिया कि टुडे वी आर डंपिंग बीजेपी, वी आर ब्रेकिंग द अलायंस विद बीजेपी। हम एक ऐसी पार्टी के साथ खड़ा नहीं होना चाहते हैं जो धोखेबाज पार्टी हो, जो जनता के साथ अन्याय करे, जो धोखा दे।